Okey, pada yang baru masuk, tolong isi kehadiran ya. Ada cikgu letakkan link dekat chat. Okey. You all buat latihan apa? Hari ni kita nak discuss latihan apa?
6.3 and 6.3B.
6.1A.
A.
Oh, silap. 6.1A
3A, cikgu.
Okey, wait ya. 6.3A.
Efficient.
Okey, 3A, 3B, and okey. Okay, we start with my test 6.3A first. So, hari tu cikgu ada tunjuk video kan? Faham tak video tu tentang tangent? Boleh ke? Okay. Boleh tulis dekat chat juga. Okay, in the diagram below, identify point and lines which are tangent, point of tangency, not a tangent, not a point of tangency. So, very easy to identify. Tangent only. Sekejap Diorang nak masuk ke? Okay. Okay, ketika boleh isi kehadiran ya dekat link dekat chat. Okay, we continue. Okay, to identify tangent, the line of tangent only intersect at one point at the circumference. So at this diagram, only RS and ST tangent. So RS, ST tangent, point of tangency, point at the circumference, so X and Y, not a tangent, line AB, okay, AB because intersect 2 points, so not a point of tangency, point A and point B. So, your answer no need to write touching the circle at one point. Semua tu tak perlu. You just write the answer. For number 1, RS and ST tangent, point of tangency, X and Y, not a tangent. Oh, sorry, just now I said AB. It's actually PQ, line PQ. A and B is the point which is not a point of tangency. Okay, for B, BD and BC is a tangent. Okay, BC and BD tangent. So of course E and H are the point of tangency. So BF not a tangent, and point F and point G not a point of tangency. Okay, I hope you understand this. So that's all for exercise Mind test 6.3a. Any question?
No, teacher.
Okay. So now we proceed to mind test 6.3b. Question number 1. In the diagram on the right, ABC is a straight line and O is the center of the circle. Okay. So given that AB equals to OB, already mentioned in the diagram, and angle BAO 28. Calculate the value of X. Since ABO is an isosceles triangle, so angle is at here is 28. Then you can calculate this angle. Okay, how to calculate this angle? 180 minus 28 minus 28 equals to 124. Okay, once you get this angle, you need to calculate this angle. Okay, so this angle 180 minus 124 equals to 56. Okay, now you can calculate value of X. Okay, as I mentioned in my video, my previous video, when you have tangent, AC is a tangent, C is a point of tangency, and then ada center to point of tangency, the angle here is 90 degree. So you have to remember this. Okay, point of tangency to center, and then you have tangent. So angle here is 90 degree. So how to calculate X? 180 minus 90 minus 56 goes to 34. If you have any question, please ask. Okay, next question number 2. The diagram on the right show a circle with center O. Given that OQS is an equilateral triangle. Okay, ada tanda equal kan? So this is equilateral triangle, and PQR is a tangent to the circle. Calculate the value of X, Y, and Z. So since this is an isosceles triangle, so you should know that the angle here is 90 degree. Okay, you have to remember this. For an equilateral triangle, all of the interior angle same. So which is 180 divided by 3 is 60. So to get X, 180 minus 60. So 120. So X is 120. Next, you want to calculate the value of Y. The value of Y is here. So first you need to calculate these two angles. Since OQ is a radius, this one also radius. So this is an isosceles triangle. So I name it as A, angle A. So angle A is 180 minus 120 divided by 2. But here also A. So A is 30. Okay, this is tangent. PR is tangent. OQ is the radius. So as I said just now, angle here is 90 degree. So the value of Y equals to 90 degree minus A. A just now is 30. So 90 minus 30 equals to 60. Okay, X, Y, now Z. So you know this is 60. This is also 90. So angle at here is 30 degree, which is 90 minus 60. So angle Z equals to 180 minus, for this I use triangle OQR. Okay, no need to find this angle. OQR, you know here is 90, here is 90 degree. So Z equals to 180 minus 90 minus 60. So Z equals to 30 degree. The next question number 3. Calculate the value of x plus y plus z. So this is x. OQOS is radius. So this is an isosceles triangle. So this angle also x. So this one you have learned from previous class. Angle at circumference is half angle at center. So angle at center equals to 48 times 2, which is 96. So angle here 96. Now you can calculate x. X equals to 180 minus 96 divided by 2. Okay. For y, 0 to q is radius. PR is tangent. So angle here is 90 degree. So y 90 minus x. X just now is 42. So 48. Y 48. Okay, now we want to calculate the value of z. The value of z, first you need to calculate TQS. TQS. I use different color. Okay. First you need to calculate this angle. Okay. Okay, since this is an isosceles triangle, so 180 minus 48 divided by 2. Then you will get 66. 66 is actually z plus x. So to calculate z, you minus with x. X just now is 42. So 66 minus 42. So z is 24. Now we can add all the value of x, y, and z. So answer 114. Okay, that's all for this exercise. Any question before we proceed to the new subtopic?
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Shamni, for response. So now we proceed to a new subtopic. Before that, I want to know that everybody has responded to my link kehadiran. So 8, here is 14. 14 minus 3, 11. Ada 2 orang lagi tak key in. So siapa yang baru masuk, tolong klik link ni dan isi kehadiran ya. Okay, now we proceed to the new subtopic. Still in tangent to circles. So our learning standard for today's lesson: make and verify conjectures about the properties related to two tangents to a circle. Okay, before this, from previous class, you only learn for one tangent. Now we want to make and verify conjecture about two tangent. Okay, have a look at this. BA and CA both are tangent. Tangent to this circle. B is the point of tangency as well as C. So if two tangent meet one point which is A, so that BA equals to BC. BA equals to BC means length of BA equals to length of AC. For example, if BA 14 cm, so CA also 14 cm. Okay. Angle BOA equals to angle COA. So BOA is X. So angle here equals to angle yang bawah tu. Okay. Okay, here equals to this one. So if here is 30, yang bawah also 30. Same goes to value of angle here, angle at A. So let's say this is 60, this one also 60. Of course lah, 90 minus 30 is 60. Okay, have a look at this example. The diagram on the right shows circle center at O, tangent PQ and RQ meet at point Q. So calculate the value of X. Okay, you know that here is 90 degree. So to calculate X, 180 minus 90 minus 66. So answer 24. Or you can use this calculation shortcut, 90 minus 66. Since you know this is 90, so 180 minus 90 is 90. So just 90 minus 66 to get X. If you want to write X plus 66 plus 90 equals 280, also can. You will get the same answer. Okay. Next, the value of Y. So PQ is 14. So RQ also 14. So thus answer Y equals to 14. The radius of the circle. So radius is PO or OR. So up to you nak kira yang mana. Okay, sama je jawapan. So now I use OP. Okay, to calculate this, you need to use trigonometric ratio that you learn in chapter from previous chapter, I think, trigonometric ratio, which is Toa. Okay, so you can use any angle here. So let's say you want to use angle 66. So you will use tangent, opposite over adjacent. Or you can use X. X is 24. Opposite is OP over adjacent 14. Mana-mana lah. Jawapan akan dapat sama. Okay, kat sini I use 24. So tangent 24 equals to opposite over adjacent. Opposite for this angle is OP. So OP over 14. Then OP equals to 14 times tangent 24. So this is the answer for OP. Okay, any question, girls?
No, teacher.
Nothing, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay, thank you for respond. So this is your homework, mind test 6.3C. Next, our second learning standard, make and verify conjectures about the relationship of angle between tangent and chord with the angle in the alternate segment which is subtended by the chord. Apa tu? Okay, kita tengok. Sebenarnya senang je. Okay, have a look at this. This is PQR is tangent or PR is tangent. Q is the point of tangency because dia berada pada circle, lies on the circumference. So if you have chord SQ, this is chord SQ, and then you have this angle X. So angle X is actually equals to angle Y. Okay, how to identify? Look at the chord SQ and then look at the circumference. Chord, then look at the circumference. So angle X equals to angle Y. Let's say here is 50. So Y also 50 degree. Okay, another one. Look at this angle theta here. Okay, chord is TQ. So angle subtended by this chord, you just go to the circumference. So beta, this is beta. So angle theta equals to beta. X equals to Y. Okay. We look at the example for more understanding. Okay, the diagram on the right show triangle KLM and P and M is the tangent to the circle. Determine the angle in the alternate segment for PMK. So M. PMK. So this angle. So apa yang sama dengan angle ni? First you look at the chord. The chord is KM. And then to the circumference. So this is the angle. So answer KLM or MLK. So answer KLM. Boleh tak? Senang tak nak identify? Okay, another one. Angle NML. NML. So this angle. So what is the alternate segment? Alternate segment tu yang angle yang ni lah tadi. Okay. So kalau angle yang yellow color ni, chord dia LM. LM to the circumference. LM to the circumference. So this is the answer. Boleh tak?
Boleh, cikgu.
Okay, so answer LKM. LKM. Or you can write MKL. Okay, have a look at example 18. Given that KLM is the tangent to the circle, so KLM is tangent, determine the value of X and Y. first you look at this angle. So what is the chord, girl? What is the chord for this angle? Anyone want to try? Chord yang mana? Chord is AL. AL. Then what is the alternate segment for this angle? Siapa tahu? Okay, yang baru masuk isi kehadirannya. Kehadiran ada dekat chat. Okay, kita sambung. Girl, yang yellow colour ni, yang I tanda ni, angle ni sama dengan mana? Boleh tulis dekat chat juga. Kalau malu nak cakap. Anyone? Tahu ke tak tahu?
BLM.
L?
BLM.
BLM. Okay, no. Okay, macam ni. Angle is 90 degree here. So what is the alternate segment for this angle? Okay, senang je. First you look at the chord. The chord is AL. The chord is AL. And then from this point A and L, you cari yang meet at the circumference. Bertemu di circumference at point B. So this is the answer. So that means X equals to 60. Okay, X equals to 60. For Y, okay, Y here, okay, what is the alternate segment? You look at the chord is BL. Okay, BL. And then you cari yang bertemu dekat circumference. So this angle. So this angle equals to Y. So Y equals to 54. Macam tu. This is alternate segment. So, ada soalan girls? Faham tak yang ni, alternate segment ni? Boleh ke ada soalan?
Tak ada cikgu.
Okay, so this is your homework. Mind test 6.3D. So that's all for today. Semua dah isi kehadiran dah, 10 orang. Okay, ada seorang lagi tak isi ni. Tolong isi ya. Mungkin yang baru masuk tadi kot. Isi ya, link kehadiran ada dekat chat.